Can you say hi?
What's Daddy got? Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Ryan, say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Dada. Say hi, Dada.
Hi. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Dada. Get you. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Hi, Ryan.
Nana.
You got go nana.
Time to go nana.
know you had that.
It's great.
So we only got 3 things for.
Come here into the light so we can see you better. Where you going, Ryan? Let's go find Andrew.
Wait a minute, Michael.
Let's go find Andrew. Come on. Hey, you get out from under there. Don't you get up there. Because you're not allowed up there. You could hurt yourself. Go, let's go up in the bathtub. Let's go start the bathtub. Come on. Upstairs. Come on, Ryan. Give those to Daddy. You gotta take your clothes off. You coming, Ryan? Huh? Come on. Mommy's coming. You got your shoes off? Your socks off? Come on. Andrew? Take your shirt off. You need some help?
Yeah.
Do you?
No.
Okay. Let's see you do that. Look how good Andrew can take his own. That's a tough shirt to take off too. Can you get out of that?
Yeah.
Are you silly?
Yes, I am.
You need any help?
No.
Okay.
This is what it's not.
What?
This button up.
You need that button off?
Dad.
Don't fool around with that.
What? I'm just pushing the T and the W. So
Yeah, it's turned. I have it turned off from here so you can't run. Okay, Andrew, come on, take your pants off. Let's go. Where's Ryan?
I saw like I think it was an underwater camera.
Sony Sports Handycam.
Yeah.
I don't think it can go underwater, but it's made for sports and stuff like that. There we go.